Independence Day, India has looked towards New Delhi, celebrating the tricolour as it's unfurled over the Red Fort and honouring a freedom inherited due to extraordinary human courage of our forefathers. But independence has another geography as well. It lives in the frozen heights of Ladakh where the air is thin and the nights are unforgiving. Across the deserts and marshes of Gujarat and Rajasthan where the horizon stretches endlessly. And in the jungles and riverine frontiers of the northeast. Here, Independence Day is not a holiday. It is another day on duty. Brave men and women stand guard between India and everything that threatens our sovereignty so that we in our cities can wake up to the ordinary. This Independence Day, Times Now takes you to the front lines of freedom to stand with those who guard Bharat.
भारत माता की जय! भारत माता की जय!
We begin at India's international border with Pakistan, a frontier where terror infrastructure remains a live security concern. Intelligence inputs indicate attempts to revive infiltration routes and terror launch pads, forcing Indian security forces to maintain a relentless watch along every vulnerable stretch. Because what begins with a crossing at the border can open the door to something far more sinister. For the BSF, that means tracking every suspicious movement and shutting down any attempt to breach the border before it can turn into a security threat.
Times Now is on the ground zero at Indo-Pakistan borderline. These are the brave hearts of BSF who guards the Indo-Pakistan international border. We are at the ground zero. We are showing you the BSF Mahila commandos and the men commandos. These are the one who guards the nation. These are the one, because of them, we celebrate each and every festival at our homes. What we are learning is that more than 12 launch pads have been activated by the terrorist group across the border. You can see this area of this border is Sialkot area. You can see the Pakistani flag over here. During the Operation Sindoor, we have seen many of the terror launch pads have been destroyed by the BSF commandos during Operation Sindoor. But now, terrorist groups have once again rebuilt these terror launch pads so that terrorists could infiltrate into the Indian side. But BSF Mahila commandos along with the men commandos are equipped with the high-tech weapons and the gadgets to guard this particular front line. This is Indo-Pakistan international border where we are showing you from the ground zero. The whole country is celebrating Independence Day, but yes, these are the men and the women commandos. Because of them, we celebrate each and every festival at our homes.
But not every threat to the frontier comes from an open border. In Jammu, the terrain itself can become the challenge. Dense forests, difficult approaches, and natural cover create a very different operational environment. Here too, Independence Day is just another day on the calendar. The mission remains the same: detect, track, and prevent a threat from making its way deeper into India.
A massive anti-tunnel search operation has been launched by the BSF and the Jammu Kashmir Police SOG at the international border. We are at the ground zero and you can clearly see these are the brave hearts of the BSF and the Special Operation Group of Jammu and Kashmir Police who are conducting a massive anti-tunnel search operation in the border area. We have seen in the past also how BSF has detected the tunnels in the international border area in Jammu and Kashmir. But yes, because there is Independence Day, the whole country is celebrating the Independence Day. But these are the men who guard the length and the breadth of the border area. You can see a massive anti-tunnel search operation has been launched by the BSF along with the Special Operation Group of Jammu and Kashmir Police. We are in the dense area. We have seen in the past also how Pakistan has tried to send the terrorists into the Indian soil with the help of the tunnels. This is the time when Pakistan tries to send the terrorists from the international border. Now these are the men who guards this particular area. What we are learning is that from this particular point across the border, Jaish-e-Mohammed, Al-Badr, Lashkar-e-Taiba, these are the main terror organizations who are active in this particular area. But these are the men who foils the nefarious design of the Pakistan at the international border, and these are the men who guards the whole Indo-Pakistan international border in Jammu and Kashmir.
The border may have fence above it, but the earth beneath offers no such certainty. Buried beneath the fields and scrub runs the risk of covert passage that allows infiltrators to move under the very barriers designed to stop them. Which is why here the search does not stop at what the eye can see.
हम मौजूद हैं भारत पाकिस्तान अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सीमा के इलाके में, जहां पे आप साफ तौर पे तस्वीरों में देख सकते हैं जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस के साथ साथ बीएसएफ के जाबा जवान किस तरीके से यहां पे सर्च ऑपरेशन चला रहे हैं। दरअसल जब पूरा देश स्वतंत्र दिवस मना रहा है, यही वो जवान हैं जो देश की आन बान और शान बनाए रखने के लिए पूरे बॉर्डर के इलाके में यहाँ पर अपनी ड्यूटी देते हैं। यही वो जवान हैं जो आतंकवाद का काल बनते हैं। पाकिस्तान ऑक्यूपाइड जम्मू कश्मीर में जिस तरीके से हालात बनी हुई हैं, और ऐसे में जम्मू कश्मीर में पाकिस्तान ये कोशिश कर रहा है कि यहाँ पे पीस को अनस्टेबल किया जाए। हमने हाल ही में ही कश्मीर के अंदर दो घटनाएं ऐसी देखी जहाँ पे जो लोग हैं, एक पुलिस कर्मी और दो अनमैन लोकल जो नॉन लोकल थे, उनको यहाँ पर आतंकियों की तरफ से मारा गया। लेकिन उसके बाद जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस ने बड़े पैमाने पे सर्च ऑपरेशन भी चलाया। लेकिन क्योंकि आज पूरा देश स्वतंत्र दिवस मना रहा है, और ऐसे में बॉर्डर पर किस तरीके से भारत पाकिस्तान अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सीमा के इलाके में जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस बीएसएफ के ये जाबाज जवान किस तरीके से एरिया को सैनिटाइज कर रहे हैं, ये हम आपको दिखाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। ये वही जवान हैं जो सरहदों पर तैनात रहते हैं। वहीं आपको बता दें कि पाकिस्तान ऑक्यूपाइड जम्मू कश्मीर में एक बार फिर आतंकियों ने अपने कई लॉन्च पैड्स को एक्टिव किया है। भारतीय सेना हो, बीएसएफ हो या फिर जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस पूरी तरीके से अलर्ट मोड पर है। ये तस्वीरों में आप साफ तौर पे देख सकते हैं कि किस तरीके से अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सीमा के इन घने जंगलों में लगातार सर्च ऑपरेशन चलाया जा रहा है। मकसद साफ है कि किसी भी तरीके से आतंकी जो है वो अपने मंसूबों में कामयाब ना हो सके।
Our journey now takes us to the high altitude frontier of Ladakh, to the Pangong Lake. A landscape of extraordinary beauty, Pangong remains a consequential theatre in India's territorial history. Decades after 1962 Sino-Indian War, the 2020 border standoff brought this remote frontier back into sharp focus. This Independence Day, Times Now joins the ITBP Himveers holding the fort, while India celebrates the very freedom they are sworn to protect.
Happy Independence Day. I am Shweta Srivastav. Country is celebrating Har Ghar Tiranga today, and we are celebrating it at Pangong Tso. We have ITBP Jawan, ITBP Himveer and Himvirangnas today, and see the colorful Tiranga is here. We have done flag hoisting here, and we are celebrating Azadi Ka Jashan. We have Assistant Commandant Dr. Deepak Sharma with us. Jai Hind, sir.
Jai Hind, ma'am.
High altitude, less oxygen, and sometimes temperature in minus. How do you keep your morale high here?
So basically, as you can see, the basic fundamental to keep our morale high is brotherhood. we have one family at home and another family here. So whenever any one of us feel low, down, we have our family here and we share with them ki. So I think brotherhood is the main thing which keeps us and which keeps our morale high.
How do you motivate your subordinates?
Ma'am, so basically there are few principles on which we work to keep them motivated. First is to keep them in movement by PT, morning PT, then evening games, then different drills are there which basically keep them engaged so that their morale is high.
Your families are miles away from here. It's very difficult to stay for a long time from your family. So how difficult it is?
Definitely, I won't say it's not difficult. It is difficult. Be it the weather, be it the festivals, everything which cause the which triggers our memory. Definitely remind us to go to back to home, and physically also, as you can see, in the month of July, in the month of August, right now the temperature is 10 degrees Celsius and the winds are so harsh. So just imagine in the month of January how harsh it could be.
There's another frontier equally challenging to secure but with no physical demarcation: the skies. The enemy exploits this gap using drones to transport carrying narcotics, ammunition and weapons into Indian territory. And while a drone may take only minutes to cross the border, what it carries can fuel terror for far longer. Stopping it means detecting a threat that can almost be invisible against the night sky before its payload reaches the hands awaiting it.
Drone has been a big challenge for the forces at the international border. We have seen in the past also how Pakistan has used the drone to send the weapons and the drugs into the Indian side. Jammu Kashmir Police Special Operation Group and BSF has given a befitting reply to the Pakistan's drone conspiracy. These are the men who are gardening at the international border. These are the special commandos of the BSF and Jammu and Kashmir Police who are gardening at the international border, and to counter the Pakistan's nefarious design like drone activity, these are the one who counters the Pakistan's drone threat. We are at the international border. Look at these brave hearts of the BSF and the Jammu and Kashmir Police at the international border who are sanitizing length and breadth of this particular area. We have seen in the past also, when it comes to the Operation Sindoor, when it comes to the surgical strike or the airstrike, we have seen how India has given a befitting reply to the Pakistan and the terror organizations. In last year also, during the Operation Sindoor, Pakistan was trying to send the drone into the Indian side, but these are the brave hearts of the BSF who gave the befitting reply to the Pakistan's drone conspiracy.
For the international border in the west to the deep jungles of the east, for the Indian Armed Forces, independence is not simply a date in history. It is a freedom that must be defended in the present at every hour. And while Bharat celebrates the freedom won 80 years ago, its soldiers stand guard over the freedom that must never be lost.